Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. I've just signed up with 5%ers. I really like this 100k bootcamp opportunity. If you've been researching prop firms and their different opportunities, you'll know that most of them have around about a 10% profit target within a 30-day period, give or take. I mean, you pay hefty entry fees, and if you don't reach your target, then you lose your money. And you'll find that a lot of these evaluations are very difficult to get through. Now, this opportunity here is, in my opinion, really doable for a lot of traders out there. So let's just have a quick look at it. There's a 3-phase evaluation, or 3-stage evaluation. Stop paying for failed attempts. This is going to give you 12 months to pass these 3 challenges. Profit target is only 6%. Honestly, there's nothing else like this out there. Entry fee €85, and you have 12 months to achieve this. I think it's a great opportunity for anybody who's considering this option of being funded. And then, I mean, once you pass your 3 challenges here, you're funded with a €100,000 account, and it's a one-time fee of €215. It's payable. So you've got 12 months to get through this. You'll know whether you're able to trade profitably during this evaluation at a low cost. And I mean, if you are struggling to be profitable now, I think this is an opportunity to learn to be profitable within this time frame. It's a great opportunity. Once you reach your $100,000 account after this evaluation, profit split, there you go, is 50-50. Every time you reach a 5% gain, they bump up your account. This is extraordinary. Start trading 100k, reach 5%, and they bump you up to 125, and on it goes. 50-50 profit split, and look at the profit splits all the way up to 4 million. And all you have to do is reach a 5% profit gain to get through each one of these levels. The income potential with this is seriously through the roof. Specifications, you can read that yourself. I mean, I have to say I really do like this program. If this is of interest, click the link below the video. Check it out. I think it's a great opportunity. With that, safe trading. See you in the next one.